to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids147, and I thought I'd show you or share with you this unboxing. So this is something I ordered from AliExpress. The shipping on this one was actually about 3 weeks. Don't think they're all going to be, because other stuff hasn't been, but this one was very, very good shipping. So this is an item that is a little bit different, what you can sort of call off the canvas. So it's something that is not just a straight diamond painting. So it comes in a bag, and then it comes in the bubble sleeve, which is not so bad when it comes in a box, because it hasn't really affected the box. So this is what it is. So it is a little LED light that you just put some diamonds on. So it did cost £7.15, and I paid £7 for it. I'm not sure whether I had an AliExpress coupon or what came up, but in the box, so first off we have a wire for the lamp. So it's just the wire, and of course you can use one of the multitudes of plugs that we all now seem to be collecting, but it's micro USB. We get a toolkit, which is your basic toolkit, but it does come with baggies. So it's a basic pink pen, a little piece of wax, a little green tray, and a load of baggies. And then we have some diamonds. Before I get to the actual light itself, so we have a separate bag with 2 stars in it that has the number 9, and then we do get quite a few diamonds. So we have the normal silver, then we have some sort of off dirty yellow. It's not really dirty, but then we have some that are more of a vivid mustardy yellow. Those couple of yellows look very, very similar. That one's number 3 and one's number 4, but they look very similar. Then we have some black. Then we have some bigger. Looks like I've got a piece of something in there that's not a diamond, but we have the big circles in clear. We have some little ones in sort of an iridescent-y colour, and then number 8 we have some stars, and then I have 2 number 9 stars, which I'm guessing are bigger. So let's get the rest of the bits out of the box. So as I did think, we have a piece of acrylic. Is it sticky on both sides? It is. So you do actually stick the diamonds on both sides. And this is just a piece of acrylic that will sit in the lamp part, and then you've got the other side, so it's coming away a bit, but it'll be read. And then we have the base of the lamp. So by the looks of this, you can either use 3 batteries or you can use the wire. Now I think I do already have a micro USB wire plugged in. It's a little bit bent, but it's a micro USB wire. Oh, so can you see that? The light shines up from there. And then if we put this in, I'm guessing that slots in. Maybe you need to take the plastic off. Oh no, you just need to give it a push and try not to trap your finger in it like I have just done. But I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's currently green, then it's going to blue, and it sort of shines up. I've got my big lights on, so let's see if we turn the lights off. Oh, can you see that? That's quite pretty. So that's changing colours. It's going to purple. So that'll look really pretty once it's got the diamonds on it. I'm trying to stop it from shining right up, but you get the idea. And then it does have an on-off switch here. Is that? Oh, that's just to change the colours. I don't know whether you can change it and keep it. Just give it a moment. Yep, so that changes the colour and keeps the colour by the looks of it. So you can pick what colour according to maybe room decor or just what you like. And then does it turn off eventually, or do we have to use an on-off switch, or do we just have to pull the plug? Got blue, pinkish, white, yellow, green, blue, white. No, I think if you're using a plug, I think you just have to unplug it. So, whoa, why my camera just readjusts, put my big lights on. So yeah, that's what I've just got. Say this slots in, it does slot out again. That's good, because otherwise it's going to be a bit of a pain to work on. But we have diamonds on, of course, the bear, round the moon. We've got the stars. So where does the number 9 go? Oh, up there. So the number 9, the biggest star that we have, is what's hanging down from the moon. So that's going to be my next little project to work on, I think. There's a few different designs, but this one I thought would be sweeter for a child's nursery. That does look as though it's blackened a little bit under the paper. I'm still going to do it, and I will give that a wipe down. I think it's coming off with a wipe down. I'm guessing it's just where the machine has cut it. So there we go. I thought I'd show you that. That is from AliExpress. I will link down the exact seller that I got it from. Of course, prices can vary, and they can vary from seller to seller as well. So if need be, do have a bit of a search if you want to find what's the best price at the time. But I think that's going to be sweet for a little child's nursery, and I'm sure I'll be able to find somebody to give this to once I've shown you all what it looks like when it's done. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.